What's going on, guys? My name's Corey. Welcome to Tynka Time. Soup. Alright guys, look what I got today. Pick me up a 2013 YZ125. I got this as my personal bike. So I sold my 450. I wanted something a little less heavy and something I could control a little bit better. 450s are just way too much power for me. So got rid of that and picked up this pretty good shape 125. 125s are hard to find down here in South Georgia for a decent price, and you can tell it's been ridden a little bit, but no real big heavy boot marks on it. So I'd say it's lightly used, but I gotta clean that pipe up. But here's the issue I'm having with it. Turn the fuel on here, and then we start getting some fuel coming out the bottom. As you can see, it's starting to leak down there now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pull the carb off and get it on the bench, and I'll show you guys how to fix that right there. Alright, we got the carb off and on the bench. This carburetor looks like it's never been broken into before. So since it's a 2013, you can see it's got a little bit of gunk in it. Not terrible. So when you have a fuel dump out like that, it's one of two things. Either you got dirt in your needle, so it's not making a good seal and cutting the fuel off, or there's an O-ring under that seat. You gotta pull the seat out, and there's an O-ring around there. Sometimes they go bad. So I'm gonna check to see if I have an O-ring that fits it. We'll pull it out and check it. But if I have the O-ring, we should be able to fix it, no problem. If you guys have been watching my videos, you guys see me trash the Apollo's transmission. Check that out. That's what happened to it. Just missing probably 1, 2, 3, 4. Missing 2 teeth altogether, and then damaged a few more. So I got a couple more gears on the way. I damaged one on the other shaft too, but anyways, we'll deal with this carburetor. I want to pull the jets out of it just to spray those out too while I'm in here. There's no sense in not doing it, so we will do that as well. So first I'll just pull this idle jet out. Pretty excited. I just got back actually 2.5 hours to go get that bike. It's because everybody and their brother where I'm at starting to buy them and sell them and mark the prices up on them, so they're getting hard to find. The idle jet is almost completely clogged, so we'll spray it out. If you guys are opening up the carburetors, it's a good idea just to go ahead and spray your jets out. You know what I mean? Much more better, much more better. I'll take the main jet out here, kind of clean it up. And I keep leaving. I got my air hose just right out hanging from my ceiling, so I gotta go over there and blow them out. Sorry I keep leaving you. Just trying to get some of this corrosion off of here. I don't think it's bad enough to be soaking it in the cleaner. So let's do this, spray them off. And does the trick. I'm gonna blow this off real quick. Alright, we're gonna pull. Man, I have a mess over here from that pit bike. There you pull your float out. And there's the needle. So sometimes a piece of dirt gets stuck on this piece of rubber here on the tip and it won't get a good seal, and that could cause your fuel leak. Or this seat comes out here, you gotta pull this screw out, and then there's no ring under that. So we'll pull that out and see if we have one. My luck, I won't be able to ride it for a while. That O-ring seems to be in good shape, so I don't think that was the problem. A lot of times you'll be able to see them broken or something. So we're gonna put it back in. I'm hoping it's just a piece of dirt in there. Although it's not very tight in there. Usually you gotta like grab them with pliers and pull them out. I could see that leaking. Let me see if I have a different O-ring. I'm gonna have to move the camera because my O-rings are in this drawer. That one fits a little better. Make that work. Just trying to make sure it's seated in there. Alright, we got that O-ring situation figured out, so I thought I heard it break, but I pulled it out. It didn't, so it was just seating in there. So let's throw it back together and we'll get it on the bike and see if it fixed it. Got all of our jets cleaned out. Alright, I just gotta clean this bowl out real quick and we'll put it on the bike and see if it works. Alright, we got the carb all back in, and we'll turn the fuel on, see if we got it leak anymore. Seemed to do the trick. We'll fire it up and see how she runs. Looks like I did the trick, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll get more videos like this posted for you. Peace!